Morning all. Going to try and fix the truck today. If you saw yesterday's video, you would have seen the disaster that ensued. Now, I was doing some research and I was kind of determined that it was the fuel pump relay. It's got a brand new fuel pump in it, but there are known issues with the fuel pump relay in the Chrysler engines. So I did a bypass and all that nonsense and it still didn't start. So I gave up on it last night. So today I came in and I sat in the truck and I put my foot in the gas, tried to start it, and it went bang! And left bits on the driveway. Let me show you. So, as I say, made a loud bang and there was smoke and this was lying about and there was bits of plastic and one of the clips around the air filter. So where that hole is where that's meant to be. To me that says backfire, right? Therefore electrical and not fuel related. So I have plugged in my OBD2 code reader and let's see what it says. Oh, can you see that? Can you see it? Camshaft position sensor A, circuit bank 1 or single sensor. So that sounds like camshaft position sensor needs replaced, right? Now, thankfully, access is not too bad. It is, follow my finger, that sensor there. It's got a little 10mm bolt holding it on. So I'll unscrew that, whip that out, see if I can get a replacement, and hopefully we'll be back in business. Let me call my auto parts store. I'm going to take the old one with me just to match it up. So that's what it looks like, if you're interested. The smell reminds me of something, but I don't know what it is. Something from my childhood. Might have been my old Yamaha Fizzy. Anyway, right, so off we go. I need to keep everything clean because I'm using my wife's car. She'll kill me if I get it oily. Right, see you shortly. There we go. Hopefully this will fix the job. It's just plastic. I mean, anyway, let's throw it in the car and the truck and fingers crossed I haven't blown it up. Okay then, that slots in there. Don't worry, you don't need to see exactly where. This is purely for my benefit. Try not to drop the 10mm bolt. I really hope this works. I can't afford to replace a Hemi engine. Can anyone afford to replace a Hemi engine? Okay, plug it in. Clickety click. Let's see if I can get this here box back in. Or if it's completely busted. Okay. Right guys, let's everyone cross your fingers and toes. Need keys. Damn. And now my battery's flat. Right, Bugsy, you're going to have to donate your battery for a wee while. Bugsy's battery wasn't quite up to the task, so I've hooked up my battery charger, and I've also disconnected both the cables from the battery in the truck, joined them together to basically just reset the system. So I'll leave that for a couple of hours and we'll see what happens. It's not looking good though. I really can't afford a new engine. Right, we've been charging for a few hours, and the system should have reset with the two terminals together, but let's see. No. Let's check the codes again. Wow, camshaft position sensor again. Right, let's try erasing the codes, see if it makes any difference. Unplug that. Come on, baby. Right, we'll check the codes again. Camshaft position sensor. Oh boy. Well, I'm out of ideas. Over to you guys, I guess. I'll give you a quick run through of what I've tried. So, first thing people say is, oh, it's your fuel pump. I know it's not the fuel pump because I just replaced the fuel pump. When I turn the ignition on, I can hear it prime for the few seconds and then obviously nothing. And I tried a bypass to run the fuel pump all the time. It's not a fuel thing. So then you saw me check the cam position sensor code. Sorry, the code reader told me it was a cam position sensor. Went out, got a new cam position sensor, replaced it, and now the code is still saying it's cam position sensor, which to me says it's something in the wiring loom. If you've had any experience of this, please let me know, because I'm beyond my capabilities now. And let's face it, we all know that Dodge will charge an absolute fortune to take this truck away and repair it. And if I can't, yeah, you know what, even if they do repair it, then who's to say something else isn't going to happen? So I need to think about this. If I can't fix it myself with your help, then I'll need to think of getting something else. Oh well, it's up to you. So I'll let you dwell on that, and please leave a comment with all your fantastic suggestions. I'll try them all. And I'll just carry on working with Bugsy. At least he starts. Does he start? Good old Bugsy. Right folks, thanks for watching. Sorry it was another disappointing day, but that's life. Take care everyone. Bye bye.